So the next thing we're going to do is our brown chicken stock. So as I said for the white chicken stock, exactly the same. So instead of wrapping up my bouquet garni ingredients in a chucks or muslin cloth, I'm just going to chuck it directly into my pot. Now I also have my roasted bones here. Another ingredient just slightly different that I'm going to add is something leek. So the tops of the leeks can be used and it's really good for stock. So we don't want to waste that. So I'll take that. Just be careful, leek contains a lot of dirt inside, so we need to wash it. All right, and I'm just going to roughly chop. Add that to my stock pot. All right, now our bones, our roasted bones. Now, if I was making a beef stock, what I would actually do, the sediment on the bottom of my tray, I would put a bit of red wine, and I would what we would call is called deglazing. So we deglaze pans to get those flavors. So all those brown bits that stick to the bottom of our pan is the best flavor in the world. So we don't want to waste that. So we deglaze it, we wash them down or kind of dissolve them in a liquid again, and then add it to our soup stock. Now, because we're doing it with chicken stock, it has a lot of fat in it, so I'm not going to add this today. Okay, so now I'm just going to fill up with cold water until the chicken bones are just covered. Now, something I didn't mention before with our white stock, we always use cold water. We need to start it off in cold water. It's just another law. We never put hot water in stocks, always cold to begin with. So bring it to the boil and cook for 2 hours. Up to the boil, reducing temperature now to low. And now for the next 20 minutes, I'll start skimming the scum off the surface and now allow it to cook for 2 hours.